Feeling. So people who prefer feeling in their decision making use it as a valuing process. They consider what is important to them, and they really are concerned about what's important to other people. When they make their decisions, they try to place themselves in a situation and identify with everybody who may be infected or evolved. Their goal is harmony and recognition for themselves and individuals, and their strengths include understanding and appreciating people. They're really attuned to others, and they're committed and they're loyal to people no matter what. And these causes are very important to them. Their focus is on finding what is positive about a person. When we look at the feeling preference, we want to realize that these people who prefer feeling are sympathetic. They assess decisions according to their personal values, and they really want to focus on how any decisions impact other people. They need harmony very much, and they crave individual validation. They're very tender-hearted, compassionate, and accepting. The dominant introverted feeler has a very complex life. Their inner life is filled with all kinds of emotions that are intense and very complex. So one of the things that you could do is, I know this seems difficult, but to share it with other people, talk with someone that you trust, and be sure that you journal and write things down. You're very attuned to contradictions between their inner values and your outer lives. So one of the things you can do is look at how you can find some kind of harmony between the two. Search for some solutions and create a bridge there. They are influenced by example, so they see the needs and values of other people and they want to support them, but they do so quietly. They value clarity and consistency with their values and their actions. Their actions are always going to mirror what's important to them and their values. They keep their commitments no matter what. They have an incredible intensity for that, although they will very seldom express convictions within themselves. Be sure that you find someone where you can share those convictions, because what you have to say is important. They are reserved and they share with only their like-minded people. Again, be sure that you trust somebody that really is someone that you know is a good confidant. They are fiercely loyal and protective, not just of people, but of ideas and even groups. And they approach life with a very carefully developed value. They want to create space and support for living that really supports and is built on a foundation of their values. The dominant introverted feeling type naturally functions as a conscience for a group. They filter every decision, behavior, and statement through the internal values and consistently work to support and realize them in their lives. The goal of an introverted dominant feeler is to develop their internal core of values, to establish a life that is congruent with them, and to help both individuals and humankind to fulfill their potential.